Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I want to explore the hottest and most promising airdrop project at the moment with you. You could potentially earn thousands of dollars from this project. So, let's dive into it. The project I want to talk about today is Blum. The tap-to earn craze on Telegram shows no signs of cooling down. Following the great success of Notcoin and Dogs, many communities are now turning to a project supported by Binance Labs, which is Blum Coin. So, what is Blum? What makes the Blum project on Telegram stand out? At the end of this video, I will guide you on how to farm Blum coins completely for free. What is Blum? Blum is a DEX platform integrated as a mini-app on the Telegram application. Additionally, the project has developed several other Telegram mini-apps, such as Web3 game bots and meme maker platforms, to meet user needs. Blum aims to revolutionize crypto trading by combining centralized and decentralized exchange features, allowing users to trade directly from their external wallets without needing to transfer assets. Supported by Binance Labs. Launched in April 2024, Blum quickly gained significant attention from the community, boasting over 50 million users and more than 20 million members on Telegram. Blum offers a one-stop solution with support for over 30 blockchain networks, including Cosmos, Ethereum, Solana, Ton, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Tron. By simplifying the complexities of crypto transactions, Blum empowers users to trade tokens easily, enhancing the overall user experience and increasing accessibility in the ever-changing crypto world. You can join the Blum community to stay updated with the latest news about the project. Let's check out Blum's community. First, go to Blum's website at https://blum.oi. We'll check the Telegram community first. You can click on the Telegram icon. Wow! The Blum Telegram channel currently has nearly 28 million subscribers. That's amazing. I think it will continue to grow in the future. You can get the latest news here if you have a Discord account. You can follow the project through that channel. Currently, Discord has 500,000 members. Social media platform X has 5 million followers of the project, which is an impressive number. Now, let's see what products the Blum project has to offer. Products of the Blum project. The core product of Blum is the DEX exchange. However, at the time of writing, this feature has not yet been launched. Currently, users can experience Blum through a game bot on Telegram to earn Blum points. Blum points give users the opportunity to receive token airdrops in the future. For the Blum game bot, the game design combines two mechanisms, tap to earn and passive farming. Specifically, a tap to earn allows players to tap on green ball icons to earn points in the drop game. A passive farming automatically earns points for players, refreshing every 8 hours. In addition, Blum is also in the process of developing new products. Specifically, a memepad, a meme maker platform that allows anyone to create their own meme coin with just a few simple steps. Blum's goal in developing memepad is to support meme coin creators in reaching over 58 million existing users from the project. Perp, a DEX for derivatives, allowing users to long and short cryptocurrencies. A MPC wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet developed by Blum to help users manage their assets. Moreover, Blum is planning to develop its own blockchain, primarily aimed at providing a fast trading experience, low fees, and expanding utility for the project's token. Who is the team behind Blum? Blum was founded by longtime members of the crypto market, including Gleb Kosterev, co-founder and CEO at Blum. He was previously the deputy director of Binance from 2018 to 2023, expanding the Binance exchange to Kazakhstan and Japan. Vladimir Smirkis, co-founder and CMO at Blum. Similar to Gleb, he also worked at Binance as general manager. Vladimir Masliakov, co-founder and CTO at Blum. He has many years of experience in the blockchain and finance sectors, having served as CTO at Everscale, Broxus, Hyperflex, and more. Investors and partners. On September 11, 2024, Blum announced that it successfully raised funds from Binance Labs. However, The details of the funding amount have not been disclosed. As for strategic partners, Blum is one of the 13 projects participating in the MVB Season 7 program of Binance Labs and CMC Labs. How to earn Blum Coin airdrop points. Recently, projects focused on mini-apps on Telegram have been continuously announcing airdrops. Some notable projects include Dogs, Hamster Combat, Catison, etc. Blum is no exception, as the project has launched an airdrop program for users who actively participate. The main activities to earn points in Blum include collecting points within a fixed time frame, continuously tapping on icons to earn points, completing daily tasks to accumulate points, inviting friends. Steps to hunt for Blum Coin airdrop. Step 1. Access the Blum bot link provided in the description and select Launch Blum to open the app in Telegram. Then, connect your cryptocurrency wallet to the app in the Wallet feature. Step 2. On the homepage, select the drop game and continuously tap on the green balls to earn points. Each game session lasts 30 seconds and requires one ticket, pass, to participate. Players can have a maximum of 5 tickets per day. Once used up, the tickets will refresh the next day. Alternatively, players can earn additional tickets by inviting new friends. Each invitation will grant one additional ticket. Step 3. On the homepage, select the farming button to allow the bot to automatically mine points for the player. Step 4. Select Earn and complete the tasks required by the platform. Most tasks focus on social media activities, such as following the project's account on CoinMarketCap, following the project's CEO on Instagram, connecting with the Twin wallet, etc. Step 5. Invite friends to participate using the Friends feature. In addition, in the future, the game will introduce a Tribes feature, allowing players to collaborate to form guilds and teams. The purpose of Tribes is to help players support each other in overcoming challenges in the game and earning additional bonus points. Note: players should check in daily to receive tickets for the drop game as well as additional bonus points from the project. With continuous check-ins, players will accumulate more rewards. What do you think about the Blum project? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I see this as a good project and a great early opportunity for participants. You can potentially earn thousands of dollars from this project with zero initial investment. I believe you will succeed. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.